everyone. Today talking about something that is changing the business everywhere. Artificial intelligence, AI and automation. These technologies are helping companies work faster and smarter. In 2024 and coming year 2025 and up soon. So it's most important than ever. Hope so these points are helpful for you. So let's get started. You know about that AI changing the life, the business and the humans. You know about that AI making a huge impact in many areas of business, and it's doing it quickly. You know about that. Here's some key ways and AI changing the game. We discussed the important points of our topic, so it's more helpful for you. Cyber security. With more online threats than ever, business are using AI to protect their data. AI can spot problems before they happen, keeping information safe and secure. You know about that. The scammers are in everywhere of human beings. Human beings are not safe in social media. So I think so AI is a best tool for you to secure data. So it's helpful for your humans, for all humans, I think so. So it's helpful for you. AI code assistance for software developers. AI tool like GitHub Copilot make writing code easier and faster. They help fix mistakes, suggest new code and speed up the whole process. You know about that the software developer can spend many time in the software. So AI automation can help these in 30 seconds. So it's helpful for humans. So don't forget it, and useful tools can use. Customer service automation. AI chatbots are being used to answer customer questions quickly. You know that we don't need to hire any person for answer the questions of customer. You don't need. It's only manage a chatbot. Chatbot can manage all of the things. They help business in serve their customer better without needing a large team. You don't need to hire a large team for manage this. Chatbot AI automation can easily manage it at all without any mistake, without any error. So it's more beneficial for you. So whether it's protecting information or helping business work more effectively, AI and automation are leading the way. If you are in business, now the time to jump on this trend. So I suggest you to utilize your information and share all human beings for helping. So see you, take care.